Hi all. In the previous video, we discussed about components of financial markets. Today, we are going to discuss about public revenue. This is one of the aspect of public finance. Under the chapter of public finance, we discussed various aspects of public finance. We have seen that two important aspects of public finance is public revenue and public expenditure. Today, we will discuss about public revenue and its sources. First of all, public revenue is the revenue generated from the public. It is generated from collection of tax and non-tax items like fees, fines and penalties, special assessments, grants, etc. According to Dalton, however, the term public income was two senses, wide and narrow. In its wider sense, it includes all the incomes or receipts which a public authority may secure during any period. In its narrow sense, however, it includes only those sources of income of the public authority which are ordinarily known as revenue resources. To avoid ambiguity, thus the former is termed as public receipts and later is termed as public revenue. Sources of public revenue. There are two sources of public revenue. One is tax revenue, the other one is non-tax revenue. Tax revenue. It is a compulsory payment to be made by citizens to the government on the annual income of the citizen. The tax system can be classified as following: regressive tax, proportional tax, and progressive tax. The government assesses tax as a percentage of the value of the asset that taxpayer owns. On the other hand, proportional tax is a flat tax system where the same tax rate on everyone regardless of income or the wealth. Progressive tax. Taxes assessed under progressive system are based on the taxable amount of an individual's income. In our country, we follow progressive tax systems. Features of tax. Compulsory payment. Tax must be paid compulsorily to the government if the income exceeds the threshold limit. Public welfare. The revenue raised by the tax is used for providing welfare services like hospital, education, water, etc. No direct service. The individual will not get the direct return for the tax payment. He will receive the benefit or return through public welfare facilities. Personal responsibility. It is the personal responsibility of the citizens to pay the tax for the income earned by them. Classification of tax. Direct taxes are one type of taxes an individual pays that are paid directly to the government, such as income tax, property tax, etc. Such direct taxes are computed based on the ability of the taxpayer to pay, which means that the higher their capability of paying is, the higher their taxes are. Next comes indirect tax. An indirect tax is collected by one entity in the supply chain, usually a producer or retailer, and paid to the government, but it is passed on to the consumer as a part of the purchase price of a good or service. Indirect tax includes goods and services tax, excise tax, customs duty, etc. Next comes non-tax revenue. Public income received through the administration, commercial enterprises, gifts, and grants are the source of non-tax revenues of the government. First, fees. Fees are charged by the government or public authorities for rendering a service to the beneficiaries. Next come fines and penalties. Fines and penalties are levied and collected from offenders of laws as punishment. Special assessments. Whenever there is a developmental activity in any area, such as construction of roads, provision of drainage, street lighting, etc., the government levies a part of expenditure on the public. Such recovery of part of expenditure is called special assessments. In India, it is referred as betterment levy. Profits of state enterprise. Profits of state undertakings also are an important source of revenue these days, owing to the expansion of public sector. Gifts and grants. Any gifts received without any consideration from any national, international body or any other grants are considered as public revenue. These are the main sources of revenue to the government. We will be discussing about public expenditure in future videos. These are the sources from where I have picked some of the points. Thank you very much for the time. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.